Welcome to Study Loop.
We use parallel axis theorem, and the rotational inertia will be then I will be equal to 1 over 12 ml square plus ml over 2 whole square plus 1 over 2 m capital R square plus m into R plus L whole square. This will be equal to 10.83 mass R squared, where L is equal to 2R is used. If we take the base of the rod to be at the coordinate origin, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, if we take the base of the rod at this point, then the center of mass is given by y is equal to ml over 2 plus m into L plus R divided by 2m, m plus m, so it's 2m. Mass will cancel out, taking common, so we are left with y is equal to 2r. Comparing the position shown in the textbook figure to be its upside down inverted position shows that the change in the center of mass of the mass position is absolute value. So dy is equal to 4 times r. The corresponding loss in a potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, which is equal to 2mg4r. And from here, omega will be equal to 9.82 radian per second.